In this session, we will discuss about a chemical bonding in which molecular orbital theory. All molecules are covalent molecules are formed by this theory. We will discuss one by one. So, what is molecular orbital theory? It is also denoted by MOT. So, we will discuss what is it. So, first of all, molecular orbital theory formed by linear combination of atomic orbital. When atomic orbitals are linearly combined, having comparable energy and same property, same energy and compatible symmetry. So proper symmetry containing molecules and same energy molecules, atoms combines to form a molecular orbital. So second one, 1s orbital of any atom combined with another 1s orbital. But 1s orbital cannot combine with 2s because the energy difference is there. Because 1s is inner orbital and 2s is outer orbital. Same 2s is combined with 2s. 2s does not combine with 2p orbital. Compatible energy and same symmetry molecules only combine in these combinations. This is your second number point. Third number, the number of molecular orbital is formed is always equals to number of atomic orbitals are combined. So if 2 atomic orbitals is combined, 2 molecular orbitals form. If 3 atomic orbitals are combined, 3 atomic molecular orbitals are formed, or so on. The next one, linear combination of atomic orbital. Linear combination of atomic orbital leads to form BMO and ABMO. What is BMO? BMO is bonding molecular orbital and ABMO is anti-bonding molecular orbital. So when linear orbitals are combined, at that time BMO is formed, which having less energy than ABMO. So ABMO is highest energy. When you are comparing about BMO, so BMO is stabilized one having to same extent, while ABMO is destabilized one because it having high energy. So the energy lost to form BMO, while energy is always equals to energy gained to form ABMO. So when you are discussing about energies of these three one, so when you are discussing about the energy, the lowest energy is BMO, then after non-bonding electron, then after ABMO electron. So the molecular orbital is named as sigma, pi, del, and so on. Molecular orbital filled according to the Pauli's rule and Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. So how atomic orbitals are formed? So how molecular orbitals are formed with the help of atomic orbital? We will discuss here. So first of all, we will discuss formation of hydrogen. Then second one, formation of lithium, by which we can also identify the number of bond between the species. This is applications of molecular orbital. That is, number of bond between the species can be identified. This is your energy one. When 1s orbital, so this is your 1s orbital, this is 1s orbital. So when two 1s orbital combine, it will be formed BMO. This is called as bonding molecular orbital. This is called as anti-bonding molecular orbital. Anti-bonding molecular orbital. And this is your non-bonding orbital. So this is non-bonding. When this combine, bonding orbital has lower energy, anti-bonding has lower energy, higher energy. So when sigma 1s, this 1s orbital and 1s orbital combine, it will form sigma 1s and sigma star 1s. Star represent what? Our asterisk represents the energy which is in higher level. So we know that hydrogen molecule is formed by single covalent bond. S2 molecule is formed. Hydrogen has a 1s1 electronic configuration. Second hydrogen has 1s1 electronic configuration. So only one electron is present in their orbital. 1 plus 1, it will form 2 electrons. So any molecular orbital theory says that it is a linear combination of atomic orbitals. Psi A plus Psi B. So that is not so much important. So 1 plus 1, you will get 2 electrons. 2 electrons will be here. If there is a 3 electron, then third electron will be here. So what is the electronic configuration? Electronic configuration of hydrogen molecule. Electronic configuration of hydrogen molecule in molecular orbital theory. So how many electrons? Sigma 1s2. 2 electrons are there. Is there any electron in sigma star? No. So there is no need to write. And bond order. What is bond order? Bond order means number of bond between the species, called as bond order. So bond order is find out by the formula Nb minus Na divided by 2. What is Nb? Nb is equals to number of electron in bonding molecular orbital, and Na is number of electron in anti-bonding molecular orbital. So how many electrons in bonding molecular orbital? 2 minus anti-bonding electron 0. Divided by 2, so you will get 2 by 2 is equals to how many bonds? Single bond is there. So hydrogen S2 molecule has how many electron? Sorry, how many bond order? S2 molecule has single bond. And what is the magnetism? See this center side. So all electrons are paired in the center side. So it is diamagnetic. Diamagnetic. If one electron is unpaired, then it is paramagnetism. If two electrons are or all electrons are paired, then it is diamagnetism. If maximum electrons are unpaired, then it is ferromagnetism. This is paramagnetic. This is your diamagnetic, and this is your ferromagnetic. This is your weakly attracted toward magnet. Weakly attract toward magnet. This is your repel to the magnet. Repel to the magnet. And this is your strongly attract to magnet. So right now hydrogen is diamagnetism due to the central electrons are paired. So hydrogen is not attracted to the magnet. So by which we can identify magnetism, by which we can identify the number of bond, or by which we can also draw the electronic configuration. Second molecule, lithium molecule. So second we will discuss helium, and then after lithium we will discuss. So what is meant by helium? Helium molecule. So we know that helium molecule. So helium, neon, argon, krypton, radon, xenon. These molecules are noble gases. They are only in monoatomic state. They will not form diatomic because their octet is already completed. That does not take part in the bonding. ते आपल्याला diagram वरून draw करायचं आहे. That we have to explain with the help of diagram. Bond order is 0 आली. Number of bond between the S2 is 0 आलं. It means molecule does not exist. We have to find out according to this way. So first of all, helium and helium. Helium first helium, second helium. Configuration 1s2, 1s2. Atomic number 2. Then first helium, this is your atomic orbital, this is your atomic orbital, and central side molecular orbital. So at the bottom side BMO bonding molecular orbital, and at the upper side anti-bonding molecular orbital. Lower side it is called as sigma 1s, and upper side is called as sigma star 1s. This is your 1s orbital, this is your 1s orbital. First helium atom 1s2 configuration. Second helium 1s2 configuration. 2 plus 2 you will get 4 electron. 1 2 3 4 electron. So this is your electronic diagram according to the energy. So how we will find bond order? Again the same formula. Bond order is equals to NB minus NA divided by 2. NB मध्ये किती electrons? How many electrons is present in NB? Bonding orbital 2 electron, anti-bonding 2 electron divided by 2. 0 by 2 is equals to 0. Bond order is 0. That is He2 does not exist. He2 molecule does not exist. Next one, lithium. Li2 molecule. Li2 molecule. Li2 means first lithium and second lithium. Lithium atomic number 3. Electronic configuration 1s2 2s1. 1s2 2s1. So according to energy, first energy level is lower energy is 1s orbital. So 1s of first lithium and 1s of second lithium will be combined to form bonding molecular orbital and anti-bonding molecular orbital, that is ABMO. So after 1s, which electronic configuration 2s, again 2s will be combined in the same fashion. Two s will be again generate. This orbital again generate sigma 2s, sigma star 2s. So this is your at the center side molecular orbital, at the left hand side atomic orbital, atomic orbital. We know that atomic orbitals are in the linear pattern. Atomic orbital are in the linear pattern. They will be combined to form center molecular orbital. Atomic orbital will be combined to form molecular orbital. So first lithium atom, electronic configuration 1s2 2s1, 1s2 2s1. Second lithium 1s2 2s1. So we will draw the molecular 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2, you will get 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 plus 1, 2 electron. That is in lower orbital because we are filling the electron according to Hund's rule. So this is your diagram. And what is your electronic configuration? Electronic configuration of Li2 molecule. Electronic configuration of Li2 molecule. So what is the electronic configuration of Li2 molecule? Central side. See the central side. This is your sigma 1s. This is your sigma star 1s. Sigma 1s 2 electrons. Then after that higher energy. Sigma star 1s2. After that sigma 2s2. After that sigma star 2s मध्ये इलेक्ट्रॉन आहे का नाही, so will not write. So this is your electronic configuration. Then bond order. Bond order कशी कॅल्क्युलेट करायची? Nb minus Na divided by 2. Nb मध्ये किती इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आहे? बॉन्डिंग मॉलिक्युलर ऑर्बिटल, बॉन्डिंग मॉलिक्युलर ऑर्बिटल. 2 plus 2 4 minus 2 4 and antibonding मध्ये किती इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आहे? Only 2 electrons. 4 minus 2 divided by 2. You will get 2 by 2 is equals to 1. So Li2 contains single bond. This is the electronic configuration of Li2 molecule. Next one, B2 molecule. We will draw the next molecule, that is B2. Then C2 and N2. B2, C2, N2. There is a similarities in between B2, C2, N2. B2, C2 and N2. And similarities of O2, F2 and E2. So see the difference in these three molecules. First of all, B2, C2, N2. Boron. So what is the atomic number of boron? Atomic number is 5. So what is the electronic configuration of boron? 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. So electronic configuration is boron 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. Boron 1s2, 2s2, 2p1 electronic configuration. So we'll draw here. So this is your first 1s orbital. So that will be combined with another one. After that, which orbital is there? 2s orbital is there. Then after that 2p orbital is there because 2p1 is there, no? So one electron is. So 2p orbital has 3 suborbitals: px, py, pz. Px, py, pz orbital. This is your blank diagram. That will be same for B2, C2, N2. Diagram will be same for these three. This is your 2p orbital. This is your 2p orbital. This is your 2s, 2s, 1s, 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 2s, 2p, 1s, 2s, 2p. 1s, 1s will be combined to form. 1s, 1s will be combined to form. What will be formed? It will be formed sigma 1s. Sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s. Then 2p orbital and 2p orbital. 2p orbital of first atom and 2p orbital of another atom will be combined to form these orbitals. So 2p orbital and 2p orbital will be combined. Pi 2p x, pi 2p y. So x and y. This is sigma 2p z. Z orbital is formed by sigma combination and this x and y orbital are formed by pi combination. So a pi 2p x, a pi 2p y. Higher energy pi star 2p x, pi star 2p y, and this is your sigma star 2p z. Central side molecular orbital, that left hand side and right hand side atomic orbital. So this is your blank diagram for B2, C2, N2. But when you are discussing about diagram of O2, N2, O2, F2 and N2, so this energy level will be this side and this energy level will be at this side. So that will be difference in the diagram that we will discuss in the next one. First of all, B2 molecule. This is your electronic configuration. B2, 1s2, 2s2, 2p1, 1s2, 2s2, 2p1, second boron, 1s2, 2s2, 2p1, 2 plus 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 plus 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 plus 1, you will get 2 electron, 1 here and 1 here. So how we are filled? We are filled according to Aufbau rule. We are filled electron according to Aufbau rule. We are not filled both the electrons. We are not filled both the electrons in one orbital. We are filled the electron according to Aufbau rule and Hund's rule. Hund's rule says that when all orbitals are filled, then pair of electron will be stacked. So this one will be the correct, this one will be wrong. So this is your diagram. So bond order. So first of all we will write electronic configuration. Electronic configuration of B2. Tell me lowest energy sigma 1 as how many electron? 2 electron. This one. This one after energy sigma star 1 as 2. After that sigma 2s. Then sigma star 2s. 2 electrons. After that electron enters in which orbital? Electron enters in pi to x. So electron enters in pi to px and pi to py. So these energy levels are in the same pattern. These energy levels are in the same energy level. So this is not greater than, this is equals to. So sigma star 2s after this pi to px and pi to py. How many electron? 1 electron, 1 electron. So we are writing here 1 electron and 1 here. So this is your electronic configuration of B2 molecule. Bond order. What is the formula? Bond order means number of bond between the B2 molecule. That is bond order. So formula is NB minus NA. B means bonding electron. A means anti-bonding electron. So NB means lower electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This electron. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6. So 6 minus anti-bonding electron. This one 2 plus 2, 4 divided by 2. 6 minus 4 divided by 2. That is 2 divided by 2 is equals to 1. So what is the bond order? B2 bond order is 1. That is single covalent bond is present in B2 molecule. Then the next one, C2 molecule. C2 molecules means carbon. What is the electronic configuration of carbon? 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 2 electron. Second carbon, 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 2 electron. So 1s will be combined, will be get 2 plus 2, 4. 2 here and 2 here. 2 plus 2, 4. 2 here and 2 here. 2 plus 2, you will get 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. When this one will be filled, then electron will touch in higher orbital. So this one will be the electronic configuration. So this one will be the diagram. Electronic configuration. Sigma 1s2. After that, sigma star 1s2. After that, sigma 2s2. Sigma star 2s2. After that, pi to px2 and pi to py2 having same energy. Bond order. Bonding electron minus anti-bonding electron divided by 2. Bonding electron is, this is your bonding electron. 2 plus 2 plus 4 means 8 minus anti-bonding electron means ABMO electron. This 2 and this 2 only. 4 divided by 2. 8 minus 4 divided by 2, that is 4 by 2 is equals to 2. C2 molecule is a bond order is 2. It means C2 molecule has double bond. Double bond. Because bond order is equals to 2. And the last molecule B2, C2 and N2. The last molecule is B2, C2 and 2. So N2 is electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p3, 7 atomic number. Nitrogen is atomic number 7. 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Again, how we will write the electron C? One more time. 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. 2 plus 2, you will get 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 plus 2, 4. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 1 2 3 3 plus 3 4. How we will write 4 electrons? Sorry, 3 plus 3 6. 3 plus 3 6. How we will write 6 electron? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is your molecular diagram of which molecule? N2 molecule. Molecular diagram of N2 molecule. Nitrogen, N2 molecule. Electronic configuration for N2 molecule. So what is the electronic configuration for N2 molecule? We'll write electronic configuration. What is the electronic configuration? Sigma. Electronic configuration of N2. Sigma 1s2. After that, sigma star 1s2. After that, sigma 2s2. After that, sigma star 2s2. After that, pi 2p x2 is equals to same energy है pi 2py2 higher energy sigma 2pz2. So this is your electronic configuration of N2 molecule. This is your electronic configuration of N2 molecule. Again bond order. So we know that N2 molecule has triple bond, that we have to determine with the help of this one. N2 molecule means bonding molecular orbital 2 plus 2 plus 6 10 minus anti-bonding electron 2 plus 2 4 10 minus 4 divided by 2, that is 6 by 2 is equals to 2. So 6 by 2 is equals to 3, that is N2 has triple bond, bond order is equals to 3. So by this way we can calculate the molecular orbital theory of B2C2N2. Same diagram for O2, F2, NO2, only this energy will be at higher state and this energy will be at this stage, lower stage. So next one, what will be the change in, see change, what will be the change in next one? So this diagram will be for, this electronic diagram will be for, this electronic diagram will be for B2, C2 and N2 molecule. Same O2, F2, NO2, O2, F2 and E2. So what will be the change? Change in this orbital. This lower energy orbital will be same, this energy orbital will be same. So change in this orbital, lower energy is sigma, higher energy is pi orbital. This is sigma 2pz, pi 2px, pi 2py. So this is your blank diagram, diagram for O2, F2, Ne2, oxygen molecule, chlorine and neon. We'll draw from start. We'll make a blank. Blank. There is no any electron. This is your blank. This is same for B2, C2, N2. I will not draw any electron to here. So this is your blank diagram. First of all, O2 molecule. Diagram for O2 molecule. So what is the diagram for O2 molecule? We know that oxygen atom, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p4, atomic number 8, 1s2, 2s2, 2p4, 1s2, 2s2, 2p4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Second oxygen 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. So this is your second oxygen atom. Atomic orbital of first oxygen atom, atomic orbital of second oxygen atom. So 2 plus 2 4, 1 2 3 4, 2 plus 2 4, 1 2 3 4. And this 4 plus 4, you will get 8 electron. How we will feel? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this way, electronic configuration of O2 molecule in molecular orbital theory. कसं इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कन्फिगरेशन लिहायचं आहे? हाउ टू राइट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कन्फिगरेशन? सी, दिस इज योर सेंट्रल molecular orbital and this is your atomic orbital. How the molecular orbital configuration? Initially sigma 1s orbital is there. How many electron? 2 electron. Sigma star 1s2. Then this is sigma 2s orbital. Sigma star 2s orbital. How many electron? 2 electron. Sigma 2pz2. This is pi 2p. x2 is equals to pi 2p y2. We are writing equal sign because they are at same energy level. And after that, which energy level? Pi. This is greater, na? Greater energy. Pi 2p y. So x1 is equals to pi 2p y1. Pi 2p x1 and pi 2p y1. Start stage. Anti-bonding molecule. This is the electronic configuration of O2 molecule. So it is paramagnetic or diamagnetic unpaired electron. So paramagnetism is there. Bond order. Bond order is anti-bonding electron minus bonding electron minus anti-bonding electron divided by 2. Bonding electron means which bonding electron? This one, and this one is bonding electron. 2 plus 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 minus anti-bonding electron 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 minus 6 divided by 2. 10 minus 6 is 4 divided by 2 is equals to 2. So bond order is equals to 2. That is O2 molecule has double bond, and that we know that. O2, second one F2. F2 molecule has single covalent bond actually. That we have to prove according to this diagram. F2 molecule, fluorine, atomic number 9, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 5. 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 5. How will write 2p, 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will discuss. 2 plus 2, 4 electron. 2 is here and 2 is here. 2 plus 2, 4 electron. 2 is here and 2 is here. Right now, 5 plus 5. How many electron? 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. How we will enter? See this here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So electronic configuration will be electronic configuration of F2 in MOT. Sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2. After sigma 2s2, which orbital is there? Sigma 2p z2. Pi 2p x2 is equals to pi 2p y2. Higher energy. Pi star 2p x2 is equals to pi star 2p y2. This is the electronic configuration. Bond order. Answer किती येणार आहे? 1 येणार आहे because fluorine has single bond. F2 molecule like this one, single covalent bond. So bonding orbital. So the bond order is Nb minus Na. Nb minus Na divided by 2. So Nb is what? This Nb electrons. So 2 plus 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 minus antibonding electron. 2 plus 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10 minus 8 divided by 2. That is 2 divided by 2 is equals to bond order is equals to NP minus NA divided by 2. 10 minus 8 divided by 2. 2 by 2 is equals to 1. So single covalent bond. So this one contains single covalent bond. Fluorine molecules has single covalent bond. And the last one, Ne2 molecule. We know that Ne2, helium, neon, argon. These are noble gases. They does not exist in divalent species. So the bond order will be 0, or molecule does not exist because bond order will be the 0. So how? According to this one, neon electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, atomic number 10. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, atomic number 10. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. So 2 plus 2, 4 electron, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 plus 2, 4 electron, 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 plus 6, 12 electron, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So bonding orbital is equal to the anti-bonding electron. So that is 10 minus 10 divided by 10 minus 10 means 2, 2, and this is 6 means 10. 2, 2, and this is 6 means 10. 10 minus 10 divided by 2. Answer will be 0 by 2 is equals to 0. So that is bond order is 0. That is molecule does not exist. By this way we can draw the molecular orbital theory of different molecules.